to
Like a schoolboy.
yeah, absolutely. She moved on. The show doesn't show this, but she's moved on, and I stopped the show. So otherwise, it will be my life's greatest regret. And yeah, it kind of brings a whole new meaning to the phrase "seize the day."
Come on, let's do it. I'm sorry.